It's Nick's Allotment Diary 2019 Sunflower Challenge time. Oh yes! Hiya guys, right, slightly late to the party, but I am now officially joining in with Nick's Allotment Diary Sunflower Challenge 2019. I'm going to enter two categories. The first one I'm going to enter is the most unusual sunflower, and for this I'm using some German seeds, Sonnenblume sunflower, Musicbox Mischung or mixed Musicbox. And the reason I think these might be unusual is because they're multicoloured, so I might get a really odd coloured one. We shall see. So I've got some pots ready. I'm going to sow 3 in each pot, and then as they grow I can pot them on. So let's get the seeds. Right, so these are for the most unusual category. 2, 3. There we are. All important label. Next one that I'm going to grow. Now, I don't know an awful lot about these. These are from a garden centre, not too far away from where I live. And they're just called Badger Brock. I think the badger is like the symbol of the garden centre. Sunflower seeds, grow your own. How tall will yours grow? Well, I'm hoping it grows extremely tall, because these Badger Brock ones I'm going to be entering into the tallest sunflower category. So let's get some seeds out. We'll see what we're like for space in our backyard, but if we haven't got the space in our backyard to grow these on in a month or two's time, and hopefully they're bigger and the weather's good enough for it, we shall be growing them up at the allotment. Ah, right, the plot thickens. So inside it says on the seed packet, Lemon Queen. Okay, so I'm going to enter these in the tallest category. I wish I'd have known what they were, because I could have done my research first about how tall Lemon Queen go, and then possibly chosen a different category. But we'll see. We'll see. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2.
In you go. Cover them over. Oops, stray seeds falling out there. All important label. I've called them Badger Brock because I'd already written out the label, but I'll know what they are, don't worry. So they're Lemon Queen. So most unusual, we've got mixed Musicbox. Tallest, we've got Badger Brock or Lemon Queen. Give them a little water. Now, Nick has got a hashtag for this challenge to help him find everybody else's videos easier, so I must remember to use that hashtag in the title. Right, I look forward to following everybody else's videos for this challenge. I know I'm going to get some enjoyment out of it just through the act of growing our own sunflowers. So yeah, we will see, we will see. Good luck everybody else. Thanks for watching guys.